Hi guys, I hope that you had a fantastic Easter. Let's kick off this show with a sneaky peek of this chocolate bunny being made from Autodesk. Let's do that again. From Autodesk software. Now, wasn't that amazing? I love seeing everyone doing their bit for COVID-19. Check out this pic he sent in from Dave Late at Plasmids. Is it I can't say it. Plastim? Plastim, yeah. From Plastim Limited, based in Gloucester. In this photo, you can see 15 tons worth of material leaving the company to be machined into ventilators, or equivalent to 2.5 Collins. The other picky is their new visor for the frontline staff that their parent company have started making. They have shipped out a total of 90 tons of material to various places to make ventilators, not only for the NHS, but for the European healthcare market. So a truly inspiring story. Thank you so much. Rotec have just invested in a brand new Nakuma MX100 with twin spindle bottom turret lathe with full 5-axis milling head. Both Rotec and Silver Knight, what's that word? Haulage and Machineries Limited have been working hard over the Easter weekend to get the machine set up and operational, ready for making medical critical components for the ventilators. I might do that bit again.
So it's a busy bank holiday weekend at Rotec. We're working all weekend, day and night, making ventilator parts. We've currently got 13 machines set up producing parts from small slide end machines right up into our large pillars. Now for the Engineering Technology Group, we've cobbled together an order for a new machine at the last minute, a brand new MX100, which we picked up this morning from their depot. We'll be installing this machine today and tomorrow, and in production again on ventilator parts by Sunday afternoon, Monday morning. We'll go outside and have a look. Brand new bit of technology from Nakamura, new to the UK, fully articulated 5-axis head, as well as a fully driven tool bottom turret with a collet chuck, so it's a fast production bar machine with a full 5-axis capability on both spindles.
This week I'm asking, what is the difference between guide bush and non-guide bush? Over to you, Paul.
David, we're on this Swiss or Tornos Swiss GT13 machine. I want to know for our viewers what the difference is between a guide bush and a non-guide bush, starting with a guide bush.
Guide bush is standard sliding headstock setup, so running long, slender parts.
And when you say long, slender parts, I know it varies on the machine, but roughly what sort of parts could you do on this type of machine lengthwise?
On here we can do up to 600mm with long workpiece ejection.
Now, what about non-guide bush? What's the difference and what's the benefit to having a non-guide bush?
Non-guide bush is normally shorter parts that you may associate with a fixed headstock machine, saving on material and tooling costs.
Okay, now when we talk about the differences between the two, how quickly would it take you to go from one setup to the other, so guide bush to non-guide bush?
On here we're looking between 10 and 15 minutes, so a very quick process.
So it'd be fair to say if someone was looking for total flexibility between fixed head type machining and sliding head machining, this is the answer.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Paul, glad that you finally know the difference between guide bush and non-guide bush. Well done you.
Tornos sliding head machine. What's this guide bush and non-guide bush?
It'd be interesting to know how many people do know the difference between a non-guide bush and a guide bush. But for those that don't, we'll explain it. Simply, a guide bush is where... Actually, no, I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer.
Oh my God! Blast from the past this week. The guys at New Tech Precision have just brought an old CVA number 8. Despite its age, it is perfect for the job, which means the newer machines can then be freed up to do more complex parts. Check out this fantastic blast from the past.
We have got an absolute cracker of blast in the past, and this is why I love doing it, because these machines are still in use. Now the guys at New Tech Precision Turning have just bought, and I say just bought this, and I've not seen one of these before. It's a CVA number 8. So let's just get the machine open. I'm making it sound heavy, it starts as light as anything, but look at that in there. Now these tools, it will take up to 6 tools, they'll index round, but this is programmed, it's more sort of well, it's not even precursor to plugs, this works on cams. So what we'll do is, without damaging anything, hold on. So you've got all the different cams in here. So for different jobs, you can set different cams. Now I'm going to work around behind my cameraman while he's still in there. And what you're doing is, if this will turn, this will show me doing the cams. And as that's going round, you can see up above here what's going on. So each cam will do a different job. So that's indexing. It wasn't that tough, honest. I make it look tough. Indexing the tool round, and you can change with different sort of depths of cam there. You can have different speeds and feeds and everything like that. It's just an absolute classic piece of machinery. Now, the reason they actually bought this is because they've got a job. Now, it's not a complex job, and they're running out on one of their star sliding head machines, which is perfect for, but it was holding up production on other parts because, you know, they needed 2,000 off, 3,000 off. They can pop it on this machine, it'll run all day, every day, and we forgot to mention it's still got a 3-metre bar feed. So new, they haven't installed it yet, but we've got a little cutaway of that as well. So, old technology, still going strong, blast from the past, CVA number 8.
Okay, so that was blast from the past. Beautiful machine. Anyway, time for network news. I'm a bit over here, aren't I? Okay, so network news. I have really enjoyed receiving all the things that you guys have been up to. Check out this cog steel roller burnish. Right. Check out this cog steel roller burnishing tool shown in the spindle being used to make vital components for ventilators. Gemtech are extremely busy at the moment with new mist extraction installs all around the country. The installation team is working with the customers to make sure that the correct PPE is worn and social distancing is followed at all times. So well done, Gemtech. So check out this tool picture sent in from Quick Grind, special form tool from a ventilator part manufactured and delivered in under 7 hours. Well done, Quick Grind. So here are some nice parts from Albert and the team at Acrona. Machined on their 5-axis Herco. The part is for the Fusion. The cider can is just a prop to give you a feel for what the size of the parts are. I'm not too sure if that was used as a prop or they were just having a cheeky beverage on their shift, but there you go. That's a fantastic example of the parts that those guys are making at the brilliant company. Oh my God, do you even remember what it was like to go outside? Drinking cans in the park, having a bevy on the bench, fighting a swan. Anyway, recent installations by SMW Autoblock Telbrook. Okay, so this is a pic of their K.6 steady rest installed on a Mazak E650 machine. The machine has had an existing SMW Autoblock SLU X 5.1 steady on the machine already, so they upgraded the machine with a new bracket so that they could take on larger K.6 steady. Here's an installation from where they had manufactured an adapter to convert the size of the customer's existing steady bracket. So it could take on smaller Autoblock SLU X3 down to SMW Autoblock SLU 5. They can convert a customer's existing steady package in a size both ways should they want to hold larger and smaller components. Bonus competition! I need your selfies, guys. I want selfies of you guys at home doing your thing. You could be like watching the TV. I could have a selfie of your dog. I don't mind. I just need your selfies in. I want to know what you're up to, what you're doing, how you're chilling, how you're spending your time in quarantine. And then all those photos are going to be collated and put into this fantastic show. I'm going to be showcasing what your company is and what you're up to. I just need a little selfie. That's all I want from you guys. So get those selfies in and you could win an MTD Network goodie bag because I'm preparing and ordering all of them. I've got some amazing purple beanies coming in. I've got purple coffee flasks, all sorts of different stuff in this fantastic new goodie bag. So if your favourite colour is purple, this is the goodie bag for you. All you need to do is send in pickies of you at home. It could be you in the sun relaxing, it could be you in your pyjamas, you having a cup of tea, you having a beer, whatever it is. I just want a picture of you at home and just say what you do. You don't have to get like too creative. It can just be a selfie of the company you work for, or maybe you own a company and the parts that you make, or I don't know, just send me a selfie. Right, so that's the end. I couldn't copy the rest into the script. So I'm Gina Tara. Stay safe, stay at home. See you later.